Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and initiating the first action. Sign into the Google account inside Google Photos, give the app permission to your gallery, and connect to Wi-Fi. Once done, open Settings Backup and Sync and toggle it on. Choose the upload quality. High quality saves storage. Original uses your quota. Make sure to select the right account if you have multiple. Now tap Backup Now to begin the initial upload, so thumbnails and metadata start appearing in Google Photos. Once the backup starts, you'll configure detailed options to capture everything you want. Go to Backup and Sync Backup device folders and enable folders like WhatsApp, screenshots, or downloads. This ensures non-camera photos sync automatically. Next, set whether to allow cellular uploads and whether roaming counts. These choices control data usage. Then monitor the status on the app's main screen. Look for remaining or backing up indicators, and confirm your Google storage isn't full, so upload. To finish, verify that recent photos appear in Google Photos on the web or another device signed into the same account. This confirms successful sync. If some items haven't uploaded, tap Backup and Sync and choose Backup Now to force an upload and reboot your phone if needed. If problems persist, clear the Google Photos cache, update the app, and regrant storage permissions. These steps resolve most permission and corruption issues. Finally, make sure you've not exceeded storage limits, so new photos will continue to sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.